What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Key_Bully S8. Told y'all we was gonna be coming with a rebuild. Parts finally came in after like a month, like some of the parts. As you can see right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be putting all that shit together pretty soon. But yeah, so I got all the parts. Well, I don't got all the parts. I got some of the parts to put my car back together, rebuilding the Audi S8. And right now we're just gonna be starting with just putting the little stuff on it, and we're waiting until my friend gets here so he can help me with the core support, because I'm not really too familiar with forms, but we gotta get it done. So right now I'm gonna show y'all like me putting that together, and that's about it until like later on I'm gonna start back recording. All right. Okay, so this is where I'm at so far. I got everything off right here. I'm trying to figure out how to take this off, because not only does this line go back here, it's another line connected right here, and I'm trying to figure out where that goes. So I don't want to mess anything up. So that's my dilemma right now. I was thinking I should just take these bolts out right here, then I just took the whole thing off. I already replaced the ducts. I got that upstairs. Yeah. But next, I think I'm gonna go for the crash bar. These are T50s right here. You got 1, 2, and then you got another one right there. So 3 on the crash bar, 6 in total. And then you gotta unhook this, the washer, headlight washer. It's right there. If I didn't show it good enough. That blue thing. And then, yeah, so be back. Okay, so I just moved these harnesses out the way. Which made me get access to these bolts right here. 1, 2, and 3. And then you gotta disconnect this. I think this is a 13. Not sure. Disconnect that. Get this bolt over here, right here, and right here. But we're gonna take it one step at a time.
Get y'all a better angle.
Okay, so I'm really almost halfway done, because when the wreck happened, the whole bumper fell off, so that really took out like half of the steps that you're supposed to do. But the bumper is not really hard to take off. This is really the part where you gotta think and stuff. Not really, but this is what people need to see, because I was trying to look it up and I couldn't find it. But yeah, I'm getting ready to take this side off. I took those 2 off and loosened the other one up, because I don't want to take it all the way off just yet. But got that did, and now I'm gonna take this side off. And by the way, this is a T50 torque. Yeah, T50. No, triple head, triple square head, or something like that. Also forgot to mention that you want to get this bolt off right here that connects to this. You know, probably like just, I guess like swing it down. Like swing it down. Or you can just take the whole thing off. I'm gonna try to see if I can avoid doing that, cause I really don't want to do that. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna just try to take this off, and then this is gonna come straight up. Oh shit. And it's a, I just seen a crazy, stupid big wasp. It's right there. Hey, what do you want? But yeah, this is a 13. To take that off. So I had to take that bolt off. It's a 10. It's a 10 socket. 10 socket. So yeah, I had to take it off because, you know, interference, whatever. Get out the way. Alright, next. You know, I'm really convinced because, you know, not too long ago I worked on my car and I was trying to fix my brakes and shit, and you know, I stay in apartments, and then they told me like this shit was no go, but now like I'm working on it, they know what type of car it is. Now they don't give a fuck. So I mean, that's pretty cool. Audi privileges. Audi. But yeah, so I'm finna take this off. This is T30, torque 30. So that's what you do to take the first one. I think this is the AC or something. No, AC and then the intercom. But yeah, so I'm gonna take this off with a T30. That's the first one. And really, all of them are T30s. So all the vents, yeah, T30s. So I'm gonna get to there. See, the good thing that Audi did, this was the first bolt, this was the second bolt, right here. And the good thing Audi did is made it to where you could just swing them out the way. Yeah. You can just swing it out the way. You don't really gotta mess with it. You don't gotta unplug it, swing it out the way. But yeah, these two bolts go to that. So this is taken off, this is taken off, and now take this off, and then actually I'm gonna just take this off, swing it down. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. Take this one and this one off, swing it down, and unplug these two. Oh shit, okay. Alright, you started? Okay, so I didn't know, but I'm glad. These are 10 millimeters. So I'm finna take this one off, drop that, and then I'm not gonna take these ones off because they both connect going that way. So I'm just gonna drop that and get it out the way of the core support so I can get to these bolts right here. It's the 3 bolts that's over there. Those are 13s. So I gotta get these right here. But yeah. Alright, so what we done did so far?
So we just took this off.
Took that off.
Two 10s and a 13.
13. And then
We went ahead and popped these off. Bye, love you. We went ahead and popped these loose.
and it's really kind of tricky. You really just gotta get it like right here and then like kind of like just bang it out, like just
A slight bang.
not too much because you don't want to mess anything up.
Then also repeat the same thing for this little one and the big one right here.
Yep. And then after that, really, so as I told y'all, like the rig kind of messed up like a lot of things. So messed up that and the other one on the other side. So all I gotta do now is take this 13 and that 13. It was 4 13s, 2 right here, 2 up there, 2 right here, and 2 up there. And at that point, oh yeah, I forgot. So this one right here connects to the headlight assembly. You just put I think it's a 10 back here. So 10, unscrew that, and then after that, it should be ready to take off. So do it like that. Okay, so as you can see, took the core support off. It's right there. Now it's time to plug and replace everything. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave all this right here right now because this all I can do right now. So we're gonna come back. Well, really, so so I'm finna go upstairs and we gonna put that shit together. I'm gonna show y'all how to put that shit together, even though I don't even know how to put this shit together with my damn self. But we're gonna try to make some shit happen. We're gonna do that and then come back out here and put that shit back on.